What's going on, guys and gals? Chris here, West Coast Harley-Davidson, your largest pre-owned Harley-Davidson dealership in Northern California. Today we got a pretty cool bike in front of us. We got a 2015 Harley-Davidson Breakout. Of course, the Breakout's gonna be that long Pro Street chopper style look that Harley offers. This bike's pretty unique and it's got the mysterious red paint job, but it's only got 29 miles on it. Kind of unreal if you ask us. Bike is obviously in showroom condition. 5-gallon fuel tanks feeding that 103 cubic inch motor. You get the black and chrome finish on there. Got the black and chrome pipes as well. Come around back, you'll see you got the turbine wheels, the black with the machine lip. 240 wide tire. Got the nice flip out license plate frame as well, so if you walk by and hit it, it's just gonna ding in on you. Don't worry about it breaking off. Pretty cool how they mount the ignition here on this bike on the side. Come up top, you'll see you got the inch and quarter blacked out bars, chrome risers, all internally wired, nice clean look. Give us a call or stop in and see us. We're located right off the 101 and Main Street in Salinas. Once again, it's Chris at West Coast Harley-Davidson, 831-731-5066.